In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Mailchimp account. First, open your browser and head to the Mailchimp homepage. You can type Mailchimp into your search bar and click the official result, or enter the site address directly if you know it. Take a second to confirm you're on the official site before moving on. You should see clear options to log in or sign up. Look for the button that says Create an Account and click it. Depending on the page design, it may read Sign Up or Sign Up Free, but it leads to the same place, the New Account form. This is where you'll provide the basic information Mailchimp needs to create your profile. Start with the business email field, click into it, and enter an email address you can access regularly. Ideally, use a professional or work email tied to your organization's domain, as this can help with brand consistency and future deliverability. Double check for typos. Missing a letter or adding an extra dot is one of the most common reasons people get stuck. Also, make sure you can get into that inbox easily, since any important notifications will go there. Next, move to the username field. Click inside and choose a unique username you'll remember. It doesn't have to be your email, and for security reasons, it's better if it isn't. If your first choice is taken, try a simple variation. Adding a short word, a department tag, or a couple of numbers can help. Keep it professional and easy to type, since you may need to enter it on different devices. Now click into the password field. Create a strong, unique password you haven't used anywhere else. A long passphrase that combines random words, numbers, and symbols is both secure and easier to recall than a jumble of characters. Watch for any on-screen password requirements, things like minimum length or character types, and make sure you meet them before moving forward. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to generate and save a secure password so you won't forget it later. If you prefer a faster sign-up experience, you can choose Continue with Google. This option connects your Google account to Mailchimp so you don't have to manually enter a username and password. Use this only if you're comfortable with that connection, and make sure you're selecting the correct Google account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. If you'd rather keep accounts separate, stick with the manual fields you just completed. When everything looks good, click Sign Up. If the button looks inactive or you can't click it, scan the page for any error messages under a field. It might be a missing character in your email, a username that's already taken, or a password that doesn't meet the listed criteria. Fix any highlighted issues and try again. In some cases, you may also see a quick confirmation or a prompt on the page. Simply follow what's shown on screen so the account can be created successfully. That's the core process. Go to the Mailchimp site, select Create an Account, enter your business email, choose a username, set a strong password, optionally continue with Google if that suits you, and then click Sign Up. Keep your login details stored safely, especially if you didn't use a password manager, so you can access your account across devices. If you run into trouble, a few quick checks usually help. Refresh the page and try again. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and verify that your browser isn't blocking scripts or autofill in a way that interferes with the form. You can also try another browser or an incognito window if something seems stuck. You've just learned the exact steps to set up a Mailchimp account with clear choices and best practices along the way. Pause the video where you need to, complete each field carefully, and you'll be ready to start exploring Mailchimp's tools in no time.